think about how many different ways there are to making online income these days. This is web design, and copywriting, and earnings on affiliate programs, email marketing, and online store, and in drop shipping. You can enumerate for a long time. The opportunities are endless. So, when a loophole like this comes along in $12.3 million Australian dollars industry, it's difficult to ignore. By the way, this is 100% legal and ethical. It has nothing to do with any kind of cryptocurrency or financial trading. It also has nothing to do with Facebook, Amazon, Shopify, or any of the usual suspects. It's totally new and unseen. Go to this private page right now, or you'll regret it later. Link in the description of the video. Good luck. And, if you liked it, subscribe to my channel.